Welcome to GoTax Online tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to claim your self-education expenses on your etax return. Here we have our expense list. From here, we can select and deselect expenses from the list to customize your tax return. If your expense is deselected, it will have a red X. If your expense is selected, a green tick will appear and it will be highlighted in yellow. To claim self-education, the study must be directly related to your current work and either maintain or improve a skill, or lead to an increase in your income within your current role. Select the option that best suits and click Continue. At this section, enter in the little claims like your textbooks, stationery, etc. If you've purchased any computers or equipment that cost more than $300, you'll need to spread the deduction over a few years. So have the receipts ready for this, then click Yes and hit Continue. Enter in the details for your computer or equipment and GoTax will work out how much you can claim. Click Continue to see the summary, then click Continue again to move into your home office and internet usage. If you had to study from home and you needed to use your internet, keep a 1-month logbook for both to claim on your tax. Click Yes for home office, calculate the number of hours spent in your office and enter in the amount. Click Yes for internet, enter in your monthly internet cost, the number of months you studied, and your study percentage. To work out your study percentage, you'll need to add up your study and personal use, divide the study use by the total use, and multiply by 100. And look out for the tax jokes. Click Continue and we'll move on to motor vehicle travel. If you need to use your own car to travel to your course, you can claim the kilometres on your tax return. Enter in the number of trips and how many kilometres were travelled. You'll notice that we have red boxes here as well, and you may be asking, why are they red? The tax office doesn't allow the first $250 of your self-education expenses to be claimed. However, we can reduce that $250 by claiming the non-tax deductible kilometres. Once you've entered in your kilometres, our system will calculate, then hit Continue. And that's how you claim your self-education expenses. Pretty simple, right? The most important thing is to remember that you can only claim self-ed if the course is directly related to your current work and will lead to an increase in income or improve your skills within your current role. Do your tax online fast with GoTax Online. Visit www.gotax.com.au to start now.